back. This is the continuation of our video 2. In the previous video I made mistake while explaining the title bar. So the title bar here is not called the title bar, it is called the application bar. I am sorry for the mistake. While the title bar is where AutoCAD 2020 user project 1 is written. So for example, if to say we save this particular project, let's save the project and see. If we save this particular project, so let's say we are going to save it as Musa 1 or Musa 1 project. So the name of the project will change to Musa 1 project. So in the title bar, you always see the version of our AutoCAD application you are using and the name of the project you are using. So, and secondly is we are going to explain what is the cursor. So we have three types of cursor. We have the standard cursor, point selection cursor, object selection cursor. So the standard cursor, in the standard cursor, you will see that a square is within the cursor. You will see like square within the cursor like this. Nothing is selected. So the cursor now is in standard selection cursor. But if, for example, I select a line, let's click at line, you will see that that particular box will disappear. So when this particular box is disappeared, it is in point selection cursor. It is telling you that you have selected something at that particular point. So now what left for you is for you to draw. So after the drawing, for example, if I cancel, it will return back to standard cursor. That is nothing on top of that particular cursor. And last but not least, the object selection cursor is for when, for example, you are trying to modify that particular drawing. Let's say we want to erase. Let's click at erase. When you click at erase, you will see that that cross you have as a cursor will disappear into a square, into a little square. So this little square is known as the object selection cursor. So the next thing is the command line. So command line, you use command line to search for objects or tools within the AutoCAD. Let's take it, you want to set units. For you to set units, for example, you have to go to the menu bar and do the rest. So for you to use command line, for example, you are just going to type unit like this, UNI. So it will bring units for you. Then you will go into units and set your units without any waste of time. That is the shortcut. And secondly, you can use command line, for example, for various objects like polygon and the rest. So it will give you sometimes options. Command line will sometimes prompt options for you. So, and the third thing is we are going to talk about the visual style control. So in the visual style control, it normally has two things, the top and the wireframe. So in the top, you are going to select whether your drawing is in 2D. If it is in 2D, for example, you are going to leave your drawing in 2D. It is either going to be in the top. In the top, for example, it is the top view. Like you are drawing a plan, you will see it from the top. And we have the bottom, you can see it beneath the plan. Either your view can be by the left, you can be able to view, like if it is a house, you have the left view, you can see it from the left, or the right view, front, back. But when it comes to southwest, you are looking at that particular drawing in 3D. You are going to do your drawing in 3D when you change it into this. Let's change it and see. You see, it is now in 3D. But when it is in top, bottom, left, like this, or right, it is in